In this video, I'm very excited to share a special Pictory coupon code that will help you save on your subscription no matter which plan you choose. Use the code CREATOR20 for a 20% discount. Here's how to use it. First of all, click on the link in the description, which will take you to Pictory. If you're already a user, you can skip ahead. To sign up, click the Get Started for Free button. You can either sign in using your Google account or manually enter your details. This should be very simple. After signing up, to claim your discount, locate and click the Upgrade button with the 14-day trial activated in the upper left corner. You'll be directed to the subscription plan selection page. I personally recommend the professional plan, but any plan is great. Click the Buy Now button next. At the checkout stage, you'll find a section for entering a coupon code. Type Creator20 there and click Apply. Your discount will show up in a few moments, saving you around $100 annually, depending on the plan you choose. Lastly, click Proceed to complete your purchase. That's it. You've now got the best Pictory coupon code online. I've provided the link and the coupon code below in the description for your convenience. Have a great day, and if you have any questions or need more details about Pictory, please leave a comment below. I'll also include links to some of my Pictory reviews in the description for you to check out. See you in the next video.